There is a mystical door that opens into reality, which at first seems clothed in silence, but as one's hearing settles down from the hubbub of human materiality, a sweet harmony of voices and sensations create the feeling of unified existence. Experiencing this state is beyond thoughts because words are based on the concept of time progressing. In the garden space, there is an order, but it's not the mathematical noun, verb, object progression of sentences. These describe how the world works from an observer's point of view, who, because they are observing and recording a word order, are unable to incorporate themselves with this integrated reality. The term physics comes from the ancient Greek physique and episteme, and means knowledge of nature. The Greek prefix epi means over or upon, and everyone knows the word stem, which may be thought of as words that grow from the root of knowledge. So epistemology is study of the stems from the root of knowledge. Human history itself starts with the written word. While the term unified field theory allows that all that is usually thought of as fundamental forces and elementary particles allows that to be written in terms of a pair of physical and virtual fields. The doorway that opens to the gardener is not a mathematical formula. The quiet space found behind garden walls is alive, and in gardening one becomes unified with it. Hermeticism is named after Hermes Trismegistus, and sometimes called Hermetism or magic, as the legends of Hermes relate. He was 3 times great. He knew alchemy, astrology, and theurgy, which are the 3 parts of wisdom. Alchemy is the basis of chemistry. Astrology is the stem of astronomy. Theurgy means divine workings. According to legend, Hermes inscribed 10 principles or laws on an emerald tablet. Gardening epistemology is the knowledge of nature which engages the modern-day gardener in chemicals, weather and planets and growth cycles, and puts them in the unique position of experientially understanding the divine workings of our unified field. In the space you've designed, be it a sunlit patio, a singular raised bed, or a prepper farm, this is magic. The magic encountered in the garden translates to a life of beauty, and this may be explained by the word compost. This is a Latin word meaning to put together or to unify. When the gardener puts lawn cuttings and leaves and throws in eggshells, food scraps, coffee grounds, and dirt and worms in a big pile, they experience a place where they fit in. They understand that everything has a use, including them. Their use is to feed the earth. They stoke the fires of life. They sustain the divine process. They are alchemists, astrologists, theurgists. They are magicians. The peace they obtain by gardening counterbalances the ugliness of the plastic world. Beauty from the garden transmutes to peace of mind. Hey, thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button. Become one of our subscribers. Thanks a lot. See you next time.